This is the incline dumbbell chest press, one of my favorite exercises to build up a big chest, and specifically the upper part of the chest or the clavicular region. First up, you want to set that bench up at a 20-degree angle. Right here, I'm using a bench that's for a barbell press, but the angle is the same. Of course, you can use a freestanding bench and set it to incline, but this is an alternative if all the free benches at the gym are being used. To minimize risk of injury, when you're picking the dumbbells off the ground, make sure you are not seated, make sure you're standing up, grabbing them off the ground, squeezing that core and lifting through your legs. Once you have them off the ground and taking a seat, put those dumbbells on those thighs and make sure you keep those arms strong, that way they don't fall off the knee. Use those legs as much as you can to bring those dumbbells up on top of the chest. Set those heels behind those knees, that way you can have a good arch in the back and also minimize pushing into the ground and lifting that butt up off the bench. When you are going down, imagine like you're trying to lift up that chest and that rib cage up. You should also feel those shoulder blades retracting and that belly button going up, creating an arch in the back as well. With the arms as you're coming down, make sure they're slightly tucked in towards the body, anywhere between 20 to 45 degrees. Do not have those elbows flared out straight to the sides. This will reduce your range of motion and also increase strain on the shoulder. As you can see right here, when those dumbbells are going down, my arm is creating a 30-degree angle with those elbows slightly tucked in towards the body. The dumbbells in your hand should also be making the same angle as the arm. At the top, we're going to want to fully extend the arm, but it's not necessary to touch those dumbbells together. On that way down, make sure you're getting a 3 to 4 second eccentric. As you're going down and keeping those elbows tucked in with that chest up and an arch in the back, imagine like you're trying to push those elbows out to the side a little to get a good stretch on the pecs and a strong pressing position at the very bottom. Avoid bouncing the dumbbell off of the chest. As you can see right here, I'm stopping to where that dumbbell is about 1 inch before touching the chest. As you're reaching close to failure, make sure you keep those abs tight and those heels behind the knees and do not let that butt come off the bench. Squeeze those dumbbells tight with the hands, that way you do not accidentally drop that dumbbell onto your face. Whenever you're done with your set, bring it back down to the thighs, carefully let them down and watch those toes. Let's build that chest, and you know what to do, like and subscribe please.